Hi, I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be unboxing this mini brand series 205 surprise, the UK version. So it says unbox ultra rare frozen moments, the same as series 1. It's the tag, so that's what it looks like. Let's try and guess what's in here. Hopefully a frozen moment, but it's always our hope. I'm hoping this one Heinz sauce, maybe mayonnaise. Hopefully it's mayonnaise inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and open this. So this is the tag bit, security protected. I'm surprised it is security protected like this. So oh, it's over here. Okay. So this is a grey ball, or is it just the wrapping? Looks like it's white. So series 1 was blue inside, but this is white, which is quite interesting. So I am using my foot to try and hold this camera for now. Ew. Opening a tangerine. So these are the 5 bits. Oh. So this looks quite stuffy. Oh, maybe there's an accessory in here. I'm not sure. Oh. Oh. Oh, I don't have this yet. So these are dum-dums. Dum-dum lollipops. Ooh, so Pez, a neat plastic, non-neat plastic, which is a cash machine, maybe. Yeah, look like a cash machine till, and it shows you what it's. Yep, I think it is the till. I shall build that afterwards. I can. Oh, this is Swizzle Sweetheart Love Hearts. So these are the actual rare frozen moments. So this is what it sounds like. This one. You can hear the difference between this one and the other one. It's the same as the last one. So this one, so series 2 seems to be white casing, and series 1. Ow. Those corners are just sharp. Looks like a tangerine. Segment by segment, just like a tangerine. Oh. That's one. Oops, so there's 5 segments per thing. Right, so this one seems to be, there's a pink thing in this, seems quite full. see what this is. Oh no, it's not full, it's just the packaging. That's the menu, well not menu, the thing. It looks like foam Smarties. The second one looks also pink. Maybe it's a bottle, maybe it's a packaging thing. Got this is the second one I have of this. I've got the shiny version, so this is the normal version, so I'll place this next to it at some point. Third segment. Oof, this seems to be a TGI Fridays box. Not too keen on these boxes compared to the plastics. So this is KFC, well not KFC, but fried chicken, and then this one's spinach and artichoke. Okay, Fridays ball. Oh, hopefully not TGI Fridays. Oh, this is an actual can. Oh, Heinz spaghetti. I have a feeling maybe a bottle. Oh, it's another can. Oh, I actually got this in my fridge. Half a can in my fridge, so that's quite cool. Please do comment below what's your favourite miniature item from this ball, or what your experience with these balls. So these are the items in Series 2 that you can get in the Series 2. So it's so this is the candy selection, the tins, Peeps chocolates. So this is the accessories you can get. So I've got the trolley in a different ball, and then in this one I've got this till thing. No, not till, the weighing thing. Different balls you can get, and at the back this is the 3 frozen moments you can get. So it looks like ketchup, chocolate, some of the sauce, the gold items, so Heinz beans. Ooh, these glow in the dark, looks interesting. Glow in the dark, metallics, so TGI Fridays Hershey. So I've actually got a TGI Fridays one in a different ball. So commons are different sauces. Hopefully in one of the balls I'll get the mayonnaise. Different cans. Please do comment below your thoughts of this Series 2. And what did you get in your Series 2 balls? Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page for content.